Hi everyone, and welcome to the last episode of the FZR Yamaha 1000 full engine restoration. Now, I had a problem last time. I remember, what was it? Oh yes, that was the problem right there with the carburetor. I found an epoxy on the web, but let me show you what I've done with it. A bit of compressed air, bit of parts cleaner, compressed air again, and this is what we're gonna weld it with JB Weld. That's what I found to have good references online. Epoxy, I used the original one, which it can withstand up to 550 Fahrenheit, which is more than enough for the carburetors. Let's try and put them all together. The best I could do. I checked all the way around it. It doesn't seem to have any cracks. Everything's filled up all around the tube. Let's hope it's gonna work. I have to leave it for 24 hours and then tomorrow I'm gonna do a test. Next day, and we run the motorcycle. Doesn't seem to be any leak at all. And it seems that JB Weld has done a very good job. No leaks, even though the temperature went all the way up. Fan started, cooled down, started again, no dramas. So what we have to do now is put everything else on. Air filter box, tank, covered somewhere down there under that towel, fairings inside my study room, and let's see if that baby rides. And let's put the air box on.
stayed up way too late making that.
This is Tom Robbins from United Kingdom, a fellow YouTuber that he does an amazing job with his FZR1000. Also, what I envy about Tom's videos is the way he films and he puts everything in place. Very informative, very good job, amazing. I suggest you guys subscribe. Not to mention his great sense of humor.
So here is my nice shiny rear suspension. Oh, fuck off.
Told you, that's his channel. It's very worth checking. So what's next? I have two motorcycles. This is my GSXR750 Suzuki Slingshot, which is a J model. That makes it a 1988 model. The other one is this ZX900 Kawasaki. That's a B2 model, and that makes it a 1995. Now you need to decide which one you want me doing first, the GSXR750 or the ZX900, and that you can do by going to my channel, going on the community, and you will see that I've created a poll which you can vote which motorcycle you want me to restore next. It's totally your decision and I'll appreciate your vote. Thank you.